Veteran cricketer Suresh Raina is being questioned by the Enforcement Directorate. The line of questioning is accessed by India Today. Now, remember that this is again with regard to the betting apps, the promotion of it that celebrities have been a part of. That's the visual of Suresh Raina, who continues to be involved with cricket tournaments, coaching and just supporting the sport. So what is it from the line of questioning on your screens, one by one? What was your role in endorsing or promoting the betting app? Did you promote a similar online betting platform otherwise as well? Were you aware that the platforms you endorse, such as OneBet, were classified as illegal gambling operations under Indian laws? Can you provide details of contract, agreement, financial transactions? And were you informed about the usage of surrogate names, QR codes, basically that there would be a loophole that would be used in these applications that will redirect the user to illegal betting sites. So you may be told it's not illegal. Betting applications are fine, but you may be redirected to what is considered illegal as per Indian laws. Our editor, Munish Pandey, is tracking all the latest on that. Munish, this is very interesting. The line of questioning that you've accessed, it's not direct if you have been a part of this or not, but it's how, were you aware that there is a loophole being used? Tell us more about how the ED is questioning the celebrities and the cricketers and why.
Well, Pooja, this is very important. You know, there are multiple illegal betting app cases which the ED is probing, and more than 100 celebrities. And you remember, Pooja, we spoke about this few days back also, that how more than 100 celebrities along with some of the cricketers are under scanner of ED in these multiple cases. Now, Suresh Raina is being questioned in one particular case, that is 1x Bet app case. According to Enforcement Directorate, Suresh Raina promoted this app, and for promoting that app he was given some amount of money. But according to Prevention of Money Laundering Act, Pooja, any person who is beneficiary of proceeds of crime, which in layman language is the ill-gotten money has gone to the person, then that person becomes suspect in the case, and that is why Suresh Raina is being questioned. Now, the line of questioning is very interesting because directly he is not an accused in the case, but ED wants to know that whether he was aware that this is an illegal betting app, because illegal betting apps are banned in our country. Second is how the money came to Suresh Raina, because in multiple cases what ED has found is that one chunk of the amount is given in through legal channels, which is online, but you know the black money is also given in cash. So whether he received any money in cash or not, if he has received money and if he discloses this information before the ED, then trouble will be mounting for Suresh Raina. Also, the ED, the prime objective of ED is to recover that money. So whatever money Suresh Raina has got through this 1x betting app case, you know, that money has to be recovered. So ED wants to know the source of money. So it is going to be a long
Munish,
day.
like you're telling us, in the past few days there is questioning of celebrities. These are some of the top film stars or having been the top cricketers of the country. How can they not know that there are laws being violated here? Do you think it's deliberate? Do you think possibly they also did not realize or did not know about how these betting apps work? Because I remember this was one question. If the betting apps are allowed to run, why pin it on those who are endorsing it? So just put it in perspective of us, for us. Is it banned? Is it not banned? Is it restricted? What is happening here?
Well, Pooja, the law is very clear that gambling is illegal in our country, and these betting apps, they promote their app on the lines that these are skill-based gaming apps, but in the garb of skill, they gamble. And these celebrities, according to ED, and what ED suspects and why they are being questioned, ED suspect that it is easier way of making money, because these betting apps pay humongous amount of money. Crores and crores of rupees are given to the celebrities to promote these apps, because end of the day it is common people who suffer and it is their money. So ED suspect that these celebrities or cricketers are aware that these are illegal betting apps, because in most of the cases what we have seen, Pooja, and what you also have come across, that whenever they have to endorse a brand, they go through all the details that what the brand is doing, whether they are promoting anything which is illegal or not, if they are promoting anything which is legal or not, everything they go through, there is a proper contract. So ED suspect that some of these celebrities and cricketers were aware that these are illegal betting apps, but because they were getting good amount of money, they promoted, and that is why not only Suresh Raina but cricketers like Yuvraj Singh, Shikhar Dhawan, they are also under scanner of ED. In other cases, top South actor Rana Dugapati recently was questioned by the ED, but also Hrithik Roshan, Tamanna Bhatia, these are top celebrities, A-listers of Bollywood who are under scanner of ED, and we have been given to understand is that soon they will be summoned also for questioning in the case, because ED's priority is first, find out whether there was money laundering by these celebrities or not. Second, the source of money. The third is going to be recovery of money, which means whatever money they got from these betting apps, that money will eventually be seized or attached by the ED.
Very interesting, and thank you for putting it in perspective for us. I remember Sattabazi that used to happen openly some years ago. It has changed to perhaps in a more sophisticated way, which are these illegal betting apps. But also remember, while that is illegal, are there loopholes that are being used and how to mint more money? We'll be tracking that. Munish, thank you for all the details.